default value for pod. This time we'll go ahead and build out our view. Let's get rid of, well actually first let's get rid of our task. And let's change text to pod default. And we'll get that to build first. And we'll see that it shows our title. Of our default. Oop. And I think the easiest way to show this would be to put everything in a list. And since this is the title, let's give it a semantic type, font of type title. Let's make it bold. And it's got some padding right now. We'll leave it as is for the moment, but we might find we want to change that in a moment here. You know, I was gonna do some text, but instead let's add a label here. For now, we'll just use string protocol, and we'll use the copyright from our pod, and we'll use the circle fill to indicate copyright. Let's do something similar for the date. String protocol, pod date, and calendar for this one. That looks pretty good. And then of course, the all-important explanation. You notice it doesn't have very good spacing there, so we'll go ahead and add some padding, and we'll add it only on the vertical. Okay, that's starting to look pretty good. On our padding here, you'll notice it doesn't line up with our other items, so let's make that vertical as well. And now everything lines up nicely. All right, you can see how much nicer it is to work with the default value when you're building out a view. We're not having to wait for that data to come back. We're not hitting our limit on the API. I'm going to go ahead and close this one out, and in the next one, let's grab that image and display it.